Imagine you're offered a simple trade. Live forever. No timer, no last day. Some say yes, endless time to explore. Others say no, too much to lose. The real hitch is deeper. Immortality is not just time, it's memory, identity, purpose, love, risk, and the future of the universe. This is the immortality paradox. The same reasons we want endless life can make endless life hard to live. Or 5. Boredom versus losing yourself. At first, the perks shine. Learn every language, master every art, travel everywhere. But thrills fade as the brain adapts. To escape boredom, you must reinvent yourself. New hobbies, cultures, and values. Over centuries, those shifts may change you so much that the you who continues feels like someone else. Endless novelty saves you from boredom, but slowly replaces you. The 4th, memory limits. Your brain's storage is finite. Over long spans, details blur and whole eras compress. Backups, journals, implants, drives raise a ship of Theseus problem. If most of your past sits in archives, is the living mind still you? Reloading memories feels more like reading a biography than reliving. Immortality demands a memory policy. What to keep, what to fade. But every choice edits identity. Number 3. Immortal invulnerable. One model of immortality means no aging, but accidents still count. A million years gives chance enough for disaster. You'd either grow cautious or accept odds of eventual loss. A tougher version, invulnerability, creates new traps. Imagine being sealed in rock, under ice, or in space, unable to change your condition. The more total your safety, the more you risk fates worse than death. Number 2. Endless love, endless loss. Human lives are built on shared milestones. If you live while others don't, you'll watch partners, friends, and cultures vanish again and again. You can protect yourself by staying distant, but that hollows life. Or build long-lived communities, or serve as a guide to generations. Either way, immortal love means endless goodbyes, and immortal detachment leaves emptiness. Number 1. Purpose. Without deadlines. Meaning often comes from limits. Finish the book, raise the child, complete the project before time runs out. Without last dates, urgency thins. Projects drift. The cure is scaffolding. Century-long goals like restoring ecosystems, preserving languages, or mapping the deep sea. Rotating apprenticeships, curiosity missions where you master a new field each decade. Stakes must feel urgent, even when the finish line is centuries away. How society shifts laws and money assume lifespans. You'd outlast them. Paper rots, databases corrupt, regimes fall. You'd need systems to reboot your identity across eras. Wealth would compound. Rules must stop a handful of immortals from owning everything. Work would evolve from careers to centuries of craft. Education becomes cyclical. Learn, apply, pause, repeat. Culture would split. Short lives move fast, long lives move deep. You to translate between them. Practical problems. Identity drift. Audit yourself. Keep 5 non-negotiable values. Memory. Keep layered logs with anchor memories you rehearse. Risk. Set high-risk and low-risk eras like an investment plan. Companions. Build mentorship chains and councils who know your truth. Ethics. Leave transparent records of choices shaping many lives. The cosmic horizon. Even immortals face the universe's fate. Stars fade, galaxies thin, the cosmos cools. Options. Hibernate between rare energy events, harvest power from black holes or background radiation, migrate as the universe evolves, or accept that immortality ends when the universe itself runs out. Either way, meaning must come from both local bonds and open-ended curiosity. Counter-arguments. Death gives life meaning. Finitude sharpens focus, but meaning also grows from bonds, mastery, and service, things that thrive with time. You'll get bored. Only if you repeat the same life. Reinvention bends the curve. Power corrupts. That's why long lifers need laws, traditions, and records that outlast denial. You'll become a ghost. You might. Or you can plan risk windows where boldness returns. Best terms of the deal. Health with repair, not just frozen aging. Optional pause to skip unwanted centuries. Memory tools with warnings about drift. An exit option if costs outweigh gifts. A small, diverse community of fellow immortals. Would you take it? If immortality means endless leisure, skip it. If it means work, on yourself, on ethics, on purpose, it becomes a canvas big enough for growth without end. The paradox never disappears. It becomes the practice. Guard identity while allowing change, plan for boredom without going numb, love deeply while facing loss, and build what outlasts you even when you outlast it. Forever isn't a prize. It's a responsibility measured in centuries,